Today we are going to start about French verbs. The French verbs are of three types. The first type is RE verb. The second type is ER verb. And the third type is, we can say, IR type, IR verb. So the most common verb ending is ER verb, always it is. So I'm taking it as my first verb to explain how it goes, how it conjugates. So if I will give you one example. Adore. Adore is to adore or is to love something. So here we can take it as an example like je adore le film. Example is, we can say je adore le film. Similarly, if I want to go with the example of aimer to like. Aimer to like, and then the third word is allumer. Allumer is to light. To light the room, something like that, we can say, use this allumer. And then the fourth noun is emmener. Emmener is to bring people. This is, we have to clearly use this because there is one more emmener is also, apporter is also, which carries the same meaning, to bring, but it is to bring things, not the people. For the people we have to say je amène mon fils, I bring my son. So in that case I have to use amener, amener. Apporter is je apporte, I can say le cadeau or le gâteau, anything. I bring a cake, I bring a gift, like that I can say. The sixth term we can say for appeler. Appeler is nothing but to call someone. And then the seventh term is arriver. Arriver is to arrive. Eighth is chanter. Chanter to sing. Ninth is chercher. Chercher to look for. And then the 10th word is continuer. Continuer is to continue. And then the 11th word is danser, to dance. And then the 12th word is décider. Décider, to decide. And the 13th word is defier. Defier with the E with the aigu. And in décider also the E, the first E with the aigu accent. So defier is nothing but to challenge. To challenge. And then the 14th word is, the 14th verb we can say is demander. Demander, it is not to demand, it is to ask. It is unlike English. The demand is to ask. And the deviner is to guess something. And then dine is to dine. And then the 17th term is donner. Donner is to give. Donner is to give. And then the 18th term is ecouter. Ecouter is the E with the first E with the aigu accent, to listen. 19th term is here also we have one emmener. Emmener is to take along. And then the 20th word is emporter. Emporter is to, again it also having the same meaning, but in both these verbs can be used in the same context as well. It is not like the word apporter and emmener. It has a different meanings. And then the first word is emporter, and then entrer. Entrer is to enter. And then the 22 is etudier. Etudier is to study. And then the 23 is fermer, is to keep. Fermer is to close, actually, is to close. And then the 24th verb, we can say, these are the most important verbs actually for the ER verbs. Garder is to keep. And then hesiter is to hesitate only. And then we have this habiter is to live somewhere in a place. And then heriter is to inherit. Is to inherit. And then the 28th word is, we can say, inviter. Inviter is to invite. And then laisser is to leave behind. And then the 30th word is the final word for the ER verbs is manquer, to miss. But here I just want to let you know that aller verb is also a ER verb ending. But ER ending verbs are regular. But the exception is aller. You don't take the ER verb conjugation pattern here. It is an exceptional verb. Aller means to go. You don't follow the ER verb patterns. Aller verb don't follow the ER verb conjugation patterns. In ER verbs, there are some verbs with the spelling always changes. I just want to mention the spelling changes for some. There are some verbs which have a different spellings in the conjugation form. They are called as annonce. Annonce is to announce. And then déplacer is to move or displace. And then prononce is like to pronounce. And then remplace to replace or substitute. So this have a different conjugation, like say for example, if I take the verb commence, I have to conjugate in the present tense with je commence, tu commences, il, elle commence, il, elle a commence, and then nous commençons. This commençons only, it takes the different thing. Okay, in the C with the cedille will come in the below. Vous commencez, ils, elles commence. But for this alone, it will change. Here, remplacer, you don't change. For prononcer, you don't change. Déplacer, it is with the aigu. Similarly, for the manger verb, we have a different spelling in the nous mangions. That also we have to make a note of it. Nous mangions. It is unlike the ONS ending. It takes EONS endings. Nous mangions. It is an exception. Similarly, we have this SIA. SIA is a verb, ER verb only. SIA is to try. This SIA also, it takes je, SI, I try. Tu, SIA, il, elle, a, SIA, and we have ils, yels, sia. And then there is a verb which the verb which is to throw, jete. Jete is also is a verb. It is a er verb, to throw. We have je jete, tu jete, you throw, and illallan jete, and then nu jaton, vu jete. So it is mostly the same similar way it takes. It don't change like commence and all. Ils, yels, jaton. So in the next video we will see the IR verb ending. You can find this notes below the links in the same YouTube. You can find the entire document over there. Thank you. We will meet in the next video, next lecture. Thank you.